She's been produced today. There was initially a remand of 5 days that was granted. A further remand of another 5 days has been granted. We had opposed the custody for a simple reason that initially the recovery has already occurred within the first 5 days. There is no need of further custody. That was our case before this court. Now, the fact that the viscera or the report from CFSL that is awaited can't be a ground for further custody in this matter. That was our contention before the court. But the court, since it is a serious and a grave matter, they have already the court is more inclined to grant further custody of 5 days.
Okay. So
from our side, that the recovery is already complete. Whatever CCTV footages, the hotel registers, whatever was available has been seized by the police. So there nothing remains further. There is no ground further for my police custody as such.
what was the cause of death of Sandeep Talal?
That is still not ascertained. For that, the viscera will be required.
So what is the exact role of the accused in this case?
As per their allegation, it is me who has administered him the drug. But till now, they have not been able to name the drug. They do not know whether there is any prescription in that regard, whether the accused was already taking any kind of pills. So all these aspects will surface only when the viscera report will
The
be...
accused has already confessed the distinct crime.
Whatever you say before the police is any which way is not admissible. So there is nothing of that sort. There is no confession in this regard.
So 5 days PC. So the
Further 5 days PCO has been granted.
सो विसेरा रिपोर्ट अजूनही येदल्लो दवरिल्लो आसा आनी पुलिसांनी खंयच्या विशयाचेर मर्डर सेक्शन लायिल्लें आसा.
That's what. That is our exact argument before this court, because unless you are very sure as to what is the cause of death, you can't apply murder. It should have been maximum culpable homicide, not amounting to murder. So that we have pointed out to the court, but either ways culpable homicide is also a grave offence. So that's why the court has granted 5 days of custody as an opportunity to the police to do whatever investigation is required. We are fully cooperating, and that's the reason we are okay with this, because they have any which ways not delayed with any kind of an investigation. They have done a fair job until now.